Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your Jabra Elite Free are not charging. So what you can try to do is this. So first, try to clean inside if you can have some dirt there. Also try to use different cable or different adapter. Try to first start with that. If that is not going to work out, what you need to do is to take the both earbuds out and try to also clean inside these if you have some dirt or something. This is something that you can also try. And if that is not going to work out, then what you can try to do is also resetting. So put both earpads right there, and you want to hold down and press both buttons on the left and right earbud until there is going to be, see, like this light. And now it's going to be also on the second one. See, on both. And now it has been resetted. And maybe it's going to be possible to charge them now. So let me know in the comments if it works. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.